was right!
Oh,
yeah!
Oh, so you're right.
Yeah.
Mama!
What?
Look! Look, it's coming. This guy I really wanted.
Wow.
This is heavy. Mom, this is heavy.
What have you got?
I don't know. I'm gonna look.
I wonder if...
Oh my god!
I hope you got that on tape. I hope you got that on tape.
I got an iPad! I got an iPad! I got an iPad!
Oh, Jesus.
Is Christmas all done? Is Christmas all done?
Huh, Logan? Nice.
Are you happy? I guess Santa Claus must have had a good year.
Mommy! Oh my god! I got an iPad!
Wait, yeah, it might not. It's just a box, though. It may not be the iPad.
It's
Don't
heavy.
get excited.
When I first saw that, I was like Santa didn't just.
Move.
It could be like, it could be a Barbie
Guys,
doll.
this is for the kids. You want to open this, or do you want to sit there and marvel at that?
I'm gonna help you in a minute.
That was the funniest shit ever. I thought she was overreacting, and then I looked at her, I was like, oh, shit. Angry bird.
So are you doing
You gonna
okay?
do this puzzle later?
Your heart okay?
You are beeping?
Ah, Logan, wait.
You crying?
Open this. Alright, hold on. Let me see who this is. All of us.
I got an iPad!
I know what it is.
What is it, girl?
Snowball blaster. What's the matter? Snowball blaster.
She's taking a minute to breathe. I don't know, did we get snow out there this morning?
No.
Alright, can we take a minute to pick up trash
Well, that's
here?
what I was trying to tell Logan.
Ow!
Logan, put it down.
Well, when done, we're all going to go.
Are you
Logan's
recovering
room.
yet,
Hey,
Zoe?
Zoe,
Where'd you guys put all this clothes?
trash?